Yes, students, you are having 11th question in your book of exercise 5.1. What he is saying if you move three numbers from the left of 1 on the number line, on what integer you will reach? Firstly, what you will do? You will make a number line, right? That is having 0 at the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right? Make it with the scale and keep the distance of 1 centimeter in between them. Okay? Represented in a very good manner. Clear? Okay. Now next is what he is saying. He is saying if you move three numbers from the left of 1. You know left side is this and you have to move three numbers from the left of 1. 1 is here. Start moving 3. 1, 2 and 3. And he is saying at what integer you will reach. As you can see, you reached at the integer of minus 2. So your answer is minus 2. Got it? Okay. Now suppose if I am having a question, subtract 211 from the difference minus 20 and minus 57. Students, don't get confused from the word problems. Just read them carefully and definitely you will get the solution of your question. Okay. Now, if the question is, my question is subtract 211 from the difference, that is I have to minus 211 from their difference. Okay. Now, I will divide my question into two parts. Firstly, I will just solve only this part. That is I have to find the difference of minus 20 and minus 7. So let us find difference of minus 20 means I have to subtract minus 20 minus 57. Get it? Okay. Now next minus 20 minus becomes plus of 57. Again plus minus becomes minus and but sign comes with the number which is having greater. Okay. Then I will got as plus of 37. That from 57 minus 20 I will get 37. Now my question becomes subtract 211 from 37. Got it? Clear? Now what I will do? 37 from means I have to keep my back number on the front. Minus subtract means minus 211. Right? Now subtracted, you know plus minus becomes minus 24. Right? But in the negative sign. Because 211 is greatest with the negative sign. So my answer is minus 174. Yes student, my next question is that says sum of two integer is minus 20. If one of the integer is 120, find the other integer. Okay. What he is asking, he is saying that one of the integer is 120. Right. I have taken 120 any integer and the sum of two integer is minus 20. That is if I add something in 120, I will get my answer as 20. So suppose let I have added or I have taken the second integer as x, right? Let x is the second integer, right? On adding x and 120, I will get my answer as minus 20. Okay. Now what my aim is, I have to find the value of x. So what I am going to do, I want to eliminate this 120. Right? Students, this is known as left hand side. This is our right hand side. And this whole expression is known as equation. Right students? This we will talk about later. But firstly keep this little or few. Now students, got it? This is known as equation. Now my aim is I want to keep my x alone. How I will keep my x alone? Students, see this. This is your your new concept, you are having this expression, right? You are having this expression. You want to remove this 120. Okay, students, what you will do, if you subtract minus 120, you will remove this 120. Why? Because plus minus, it will get cancelled. 120 में से 120 is gone, then you will left only with 0. If you are subtracting minus 120 from the left hand side, then this is the rule of the equation. You will also have to subtract minus 120 from the right hand side also. Okay? Or in short, if you are having this expression minus 20, then this plus will becomes minus, positive sign changes to the negative sign when it goes on the other side. Okay, if here is suppose if it is having negative sign, then it becomes plus. If it is having plus, then it becomes minus. Got it, students? Now you will, what you will left? You will left only with x now, and you know minus minus becomes plus, and you will get the sign of negative because 120 is greater and having negative sign with it. So your answer becomes minus 140, and the second integer you got as is minus 140 as your answer. Okay, got it? Now student, next question is that is you have to determine the integer which when divided by minus 1 gives minus 56. Gives means that is it has given you the answer, that is minus 56. Divided by means that is minus 1, that, and the question is determine the integer. You have to determine the integer which when divided by minus 1 gives you minus 56. Again suppose let the number integer be x, and in the solution you will write let the integer be x, that is which when divided will gives you minus 56. And now what you will do, how you will solve this question? You know you have to keep this x as it is, and you know that if you can solve it in your two ways, that is simply by doing the cross multiplication, that is x multiplied by x1 is x, 56 ones are again 56 ones are 56, minus minus 2 times even times, then we will not put the negative sign here, and you will get your integer as, that is value of integer as 56. Okay, and or in another way, if you are having this x plus 1 upon minus 1 is equals to minus 56, then you know here it is division, and when it goes on right hand side it becomes multiplication. Okay, then x is equals to plus of 56. Got it? In this way you can solve your word problems, and I hope I have already done all the statement or the word problems. And if you found any problem, you are free to ask. Thank you and have a good day.